Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover hacked Telegram account. All right, let's begin. If someone has gained access to your Telegram account and changed your phone number or recovery email, you can still recover it through Telegram support. First, open an internet browser and search for Telegram support. Click the official website, telegram.org, and open the support page. Locate the description box and type a clear message stating that your account was hacked. Next, provide the date you last had access to your account. Enter your old email address and your previous phone number that were linked to Telegram. After that, scroll down and add your new email address and your new phone number. Make sure all details are accurate, as this information is used to verify your identity. Continue by filling in the remaining fields, including your name and contact details. Once everything is complete, submit the form. After submission, you will need to wait a few days for the Telegram support team to respond. They may ask for additional verification or documents to confirm ownership of the account. So that's basically how you can recover hacked Telegram account. That's it for this video. Thanks.